Hey there! Have you ever wondered if you can bank transfer money to Monzo? It's a question that pops up quite frequently, especially for those who are new to the digital banking scene. Well, let's dive in and find out. Building context. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's quickly understand what Monzo is. It's a UK-based digital bank that's gaining popularity worldwide for its sleek interface, fee-free transactions, and innovative features. But can you really send money from your traditional bank to a Monzo account? Answering the question, can you bank transfer to Monzo? The short answer is yes, you can absolutely bank transfer to Monzo. It's a straightforward process that doesn't require any special steps. How to do it? Find Monzo's sort code and account number. These details are usually found in your Monzo app or on your physical Monzo card. Initiate the transfer. From your traditional bank's online or mobile banking platform, select the Pay Someone or Transfer Money option. Enter Monzo details, input Monzo's sort code and account number. Confirm and send, double-check the details, and confirm the transfer. Common questions and concerns. Fees. While Monzo itself doesn't charge fees for incoming transfers, your traditional bank might. It's always a good idea to check your bank's fee structure before initiating the transfer. Processing time. Transfer times can vary depending on your banks and the time of day. Typically, domestic transfers are processed within a few hours, but international transfers might take a bit longer. Security. Monzo is known for its robust security measures. However, it's essential to ensure that you're using secure internet connections and following best practices when making online transactions. Additional tips. Faster transfers. If you need the money to reach your Monzo account quickly, consider using Faster Payments, a service that enables instant transfers between UK banks. International transfers. For international transfers, you might need to provide additional information, such as the recipient's SWIFT code. Monzo's own transfer options. Apart from bank transfers, Monzo also offers other ways to add money to your account, such as card payments, cash deposits at partner stores, and transfers from other Monzo users. Conclusion. So, there you have it. You can indeed bank transfer to Monzo. It's a simple process that can be completed in a few minutes. However, remember to check your bank's fees and processing times to ensure a smooth experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.